Who's in my house?
Who's in my house? Now we've got money in banks all over this planet. Does he give me a dime? Matilda, this is Bob and Bill, the cops. They are not cops. They are ace powerboat salesmen.
He thinks I'm starved.
Hi, Harry.
Who are you? What is this, a hot tub party? Get the hell out of here.
The cops, Dad.
You interested in timeshare?
You don't let me talk to people. I am in a cage, Harry. I need to talk to somebody besides those stupid kids.
Oh, yeah? Well, a man is entitled to come home and find dinner on the table without having to wait for a convention of male strippers.
Dad,
What do you want?
yell at me, okay?
Shut up and leave us alone.
Yell at me again.
Yell at you. You're one where it's time you started acting like one. I'm smart, you're dumb. I'm big, you're little.
Far from the tree. There's something
I'm
wrong.
right, you're wrong. And there's nothing you can do about it. You're a wormwood. It's time you started acting like one.
I am serious. I am serious.
Oh. My three sidekicks come along, but on one condition. My three sidekicks come along. Huh? Guys! Huh? Guys! You're here and just in time.
I can't believe I did this.
I can't believe I did this!
Mother would be so furious if she knew I disobeyed her and left the tower. But that's okay. I mean, what she doesn't know won't kill her. Right? No. Oh my gosh. This would kill her.
This is so fun!
I am a horrible daughter. I'm going back.
I am never going back!
I am a despicable human being.
Sidekicks?
Sidekicks?
Ugh. Veruca, are you alright? No, I don't have a golden goose and now I'm covered with garbage. We're in the furnace.
Fortunately, that furnace is only lit on Tuesdays. Oh, or is it Thursday?
Who do you blame when your kisses are scratched and burned for by the Siamese? Cat claiming the kiss is a lie and a shame. You know exactly who's to blame. The mother and the father. Veruca, are you alright?
No! I don't have a golden goose and now I'm covered with garbage! We're in the furnace!
Get him away, Cat!
I want you to take me home and buy me my own chocolate factory, Daddy! Oh boy, that was terrific! And wait, here comes the dessert! Blueberry pie! It's incredible!
Hey, what's going on? Violet! You're turning violet, Violet!
What are you talking about?
Her face! It's all blue!
I know. She's turning into a blueberry. It always happens when you reach the dessert. Oh well, I'll get it right in the end.
I feel funny.
And that little dog, too!
Toto, you came back. Oh, I'm so bad. The goat will be coming back for you.
It's Dorothy and Toto and Tom and Jerry and we gotta follow them. Dorothy? Who's Dorothy?
And who's Tom and Jerry?
Dorothy? Who's Dorothy? And who's Tom and Jerry?
Dorothy? Who's Dorothy?
And who's Tom and Jerry?
No, Jerry, look out!
This isn't over. I'll get you, Tom and Jerry, and that little girl, too!